Oh man, I'm really excited for this one. This is going to be a really awesome video. The iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing and first impressions video is here. Now, just a quick disclaimer, the actual device I'm filming with is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is my personal unit. I've used it for some time. I've actually bought this one on January 1st of 2021, and I didn't get a chance to do the unboxing video because the way that it worked out with the COVID strategies and everything at the cell phone carrier, they actually just opened it for me and we conducted the activation process in store. So I didn't really get a chance to actually do the video that I'm doing today. Today I actually have the iPhone 12 Pro Max mint in box. It is another unit and I'm so excited to show you guys and give you guys my first impressions. And I'm actually kind of glad that it worked out the way it did because now I can give you guys my insight, my experience, also while showing you guys what it looks like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. And here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I like the brand new box that came with the new iPhones this year. Of course, Apple went with like a much darker box, and you get a nice view of the actual phone in the front. And you got the wallpaper, really cool there, and you got the back of the box. Very simple packaging as they usually do, but they went with a darker tone for this one for this year, so I'm a big fan of it. Some of that good ASMR for you guys. And here you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in its packaging, and I actually like the darker box. I like how it overall looks with the coloring, that nice dark blue, that Pacific blue. You got the iPhone badge here on the side. I honestly would have preferred this to be more noticeable, so maybe like if the lettering was a little brighter, kind of like the bottom of this wallpaper here. It's not a major issue. It is still noticeable when you hold it up to the light. So now, the moment of truth. Here we go with the unboxing. Wow. And there it is. The beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max. There is just a certain joy. There's a certain just beauty that Apple just manages to accomplish every single time with their iPhones. And I am just a really big fan of not only the performance of these devices, but the appearance. It's an aesthetic, it's a culture, and I'm a big fan of it. So you got the nice Pacific blue, the same relative frosted glass as you would get in the 11 series as well. The Apple logo is centered and there is no iPhone name at the bottom. Very minimal, very simplistic, and that's very Apple. You got the 3-camera bump here. Of course, you got the ultra-wide telephoto, and you got the LiDAR censored flash. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the packaging now. And then, now one thing I've noticed, of course, with the previous models, the little plastic protector would actually be on both sides. So you would flip it around and then flip it around and kind of remove it. But because it's frosted glass, it doesn't really keep much fingerprints. I've actually noticed with my own personal device, I've never gotten fingerprints except for on the Apple logo itself, and on the stainless steel on the side, you can kind of already see some fingerprints being shown there. But I've noticed that it doesn't really do it, and I love that material. I actually prefer that material over the others. The stainless steel on the side is just beautiful, and what I love about it too is not only is it gorgeous and it gives the device more weight and makes it feel more premium, but at the same time it adds more durability. So I'm a big fan of that. You got the little lightning indicator on the protective plastic for the lightning port that it covers over. Oh, and that's actually pretty cool. You have the little indicators of what each button does. That is a really nice touch. You got the power icon, the notification, the silent mode switch toggle icon, and the up and down volume. So without further ado, the $1,200 to $1,300 plastic removal. Here we go. Oh, that's wonderful. That is great. And here she is, iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am just a massive fan of the way that Apple creates these devices. I know it relatively does look kind of the same from the 11 series, with the camera bump being the same general design with the kind of triangular camera module placement and then a square camera bump. I know it's kind of almost the same, but that Pacific blue really makes a large difference. You can see this Pacific blue through my the little reflection there. Taking a look at what the packaging contents has, yes, it is the controversial no power brick deal here. You got the lightning to USB-C here, and then you've got the instructions here. And when you remove it, you've got the SIM card removal tool and one single Apple logo sticker versus the normal 2 stickers you would get previously. And then you have some of the instructions. So I love the simplicity of the unboxing experience. It's always been simplistic, but I did like when they had more to come with the packaging, like the actual power brick, and sometimes it would give you headphones with it. I actually like and prefer that, but I do understand Apple's decision this year with not adding the power brick, as most people at this point do have something lying around, and it's not expensive to buy a brand new one. So I do like the environmental friendly, carbon neutral goal that Apple is trying to set, although of course, as they normally do, they spark controversy, but I'm sure other companies are going to follow suit right after them, as they normally do, set the standard. So by all means, we're going to turn on the iPhone, and then there it goes. And while that powers up, I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case with MagSafe, and I actually have the MagSafe charger here to demonstrate. I use that MagSafe charger for my personal unit. I really like this leather case though. This is really nice, and I love the squared edges on the phone as well, that you get to have the cases with squared edges as well. But take a look at this. I mean, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful Baltic blue with the Pacific blue, and it is a beautiful blend of the two colors. Of course, when you put a phone case on the phone, you hide the actual colors. I like how this Baltic blue really kind of keeps that same color aesthetic going, even if you do not have the phone bare. And you do have the MagSafe ring, as it is MagSafe compatible. And we're gonna add... Wow. So you actually get the animation even if you have not set up the phone yet, which I think is a really cool touch. I thought it would not. Oh wow, and another thing I noticed, the bottom is actually, there is an actual covering for the bottom, which some other Apple cases, it kind of cuts down and it comes around and cuts up, leaving all of this exposed. Well, with the leather cases, it's not the case. You actually get a full all-around coverage of the phone. And it actually has a really nice feel. It's very smooth and it does feel like leather. I love how the camera bump has like a little indentation that comes up, so when you sit the phone down flat, it will not wobble very much. And of course, before we finish this off, I just have to do this. Oh, that's wonderful. That's great. And that pretty much does it for the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing experience. I'm a big fan of this release, and I love what Apple has done. And I love the ode to the iPhone 4 with the squared edges. I thought that was a really nice touch, and it feels really great in the hand. Actually helps with the grip of the actual device. I love the accessories. I love MagSafe returning. I'm a big fan of MagSafe. It's a really nice release, and I mean, my experience since I've been using it for about a month now, I will have to say it's really fast. It's very responsive. The camera is outstanding, and I'm a big fan of what they've done. Hope they continue adding more awesome MagSafe accessories for this device. It's a really good feature, and I found that it charges my phone very fast, so that's a good plus. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know that I have not been posting very much this year, but that is the goal, to continue and do more content on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe if you are into this kind of thing, and I will be doing more of this as time goes on. And I might even do a video talking about my day in the life experience with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And with that, we will talk soon. Peace.